Hello everyone. Today I'm going to explain about the loops. What are the loops in C sharp? Loops means like the we are doing to add some logic in certain conditions, or we will transversing any things, right? There are different types of loops we have in C sharp: for loop, while loop, do while loop, nested loops, for each loop. Okay, so let's go one by one indirectly in the Visual Studio Code. I will explain what is the syntax of each of us, and I will add some example on this. Okay, so let's first go on the for loop. For loop means, suppose I want to print a number from 1 to 5. Okay, then we have to use for loop. Suppose I want to print the number 1 to 100, then definitely we have to use the loop. Loop, for loop means, this is the for loop syntax. For, this is the initialization from where loop will start. Int I equal to 1. The loop will start from 1. This is the condition till when loop will run, till I less than equal to 5. This is the second thing after the semicolon. Third is the increment. We are incrementing one by one. Either I plus plus means we are incrementing by 1. As per your requirement, we can increment by 2, 3, anything. Okay. So this is the, I am printing 1 to 5. I am starting from 1 till 5 less than equal to 5, and I am incrementing 1. The first loop will run, then it will print 1, then it will be increment by 1. Next it will be 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's run it, and I will show you the value one by one. You can see here I equal to 0. Now it will move I equal to 1. It will check the condition less than 5, then it will be print here 1. Again it will come here. Now I equal to 1, it will increment 2. Again condition, it will print 2. Now it will increment by 1. Again it will 3. In this way loop will continue. Okay, and it will print one by one. You can see here number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this way for loop, this is the very basic simple syntax of the for loop. Suppose I want to print 1 to 50, then just print here. You can see here it's printed. Okay, next loop is the while loop. So what while loops will do, this is the basic syntax: while, then condition till. While means till when this condition is satisfied, it will run. This is the start value. The start value is 1. The same loop I am printing through the while. Okay, I'm just writing console dot read line. What is read line? I think you guys know already. Read line means it will not close automatically till we press any key. Okay, so this is the syntax: while, then condition. and then I am incrementing the value after printing. So this will continue till I less than equal to 5. Let's see. The same printing, let me call while loop. Okay. You can see here, it will print same things. 1 to 5, first 1 to 5 is for loop, next is the while loop. Same thing we can print using while in this way. While any condition, and then this way. It will be run the loop till I less than equal to 5. First I1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, then I6, then it will be come outside. Okay. Our next is do while. Why we are doing do while? What is the basic difference between while and do while? Do while is similar to while. Just one thing change is it will execute one, satisfy one condition. In the do while condition will be in the last. First it will print, then check the condition. That is the only difference between while and do while. Okay. Suppose we can make this useful for the scenario where loop body must run at least once. Suppose in any scenario in the programming practice, if you want to loop should be executed once, then check the condition, then and that scenario you can use do while. Okay. You can see I am doing same thing using do while also. I'm just adding here, just giving a one space so that I can understood. Okay. I am running all three. Same 1 to 5 I am printing by using for loop, while loop and do while loop. This is while loop and this is do while loop. Okay. And what is break? This is the looping concept in C sharp: for loop, while loop, do while loop. And one more loop I will explain later is the for each loop. Before this, I want to show you some things in the loop we are using based on our scenario. Suppose I want to break the loop in some condition, then we have to use the break keyword. Suppose this is the for loop. I am running from 1 to 10, 0 to 10, and I want if I equal to 5, then loop should be terminated. If I use break, then it will come outside. It will not run 10 times, it will run only 5 times because it will come here. If it is break, you find any loop, then it will come outside the break. Let's run it. For while, do while, you can see it will run only 0 to 4. If you not using loop break statement, that it will run till 10. But when I equal to 5, I am using break, then it will be come outside. The break means terminating the loop. Next, continue. What is continue? Let's see this. Here a equal to 10, I am using do while loop. Do if a equal to 15, then a equal to a plus 1 and continue. Continue means it will skip the iteration, it will move here. Let's run this program, then you guys are better understood. So I am commenting everything and just continue. And let's see the our logic. First 10 is to start the loop, 10 till 20 it will, while condition is 20, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. You can see here 15 is skipped. Why? Because whenever a equal to 15, I am using continue, then it will be not go below on continue. It will come again here in line number 66. It's it will skip this iteration, that is called continue. If any scenario I don't want, if certain condition I don't want to go below, I want to skip that iteration, then we can use the continue keyword. Okay. Next is the for each loop. For each loop also a flow statement, and it will also transverse all the elements in a collection. Suppose this is the list array, and I want to go from here to here till elements, starting elements to end elements. I don't want to use any index and anything, then you can use the for each. You can, this syntax for each. Which type of this variable is string? The string name in. This is the array name, names. Console.writeLine name. It will go one by one. Let's see the example. I just add these things. And yeah, let's see. You can see here. It will print Elias, Blob, and Charlie, all elements in this array. Suppose you have to use the for loop, then we have to come here the for, then we have to go with the length of this array till 1 to length of the array, and then print indexing 0 index 1 in this way. Without using this for each loop, we automatically move from one element to another next element using this one. For each, which type of this element is, then in, then this is the list array, whatever you want, name, collection name, and we can choose one by one. Okay, so that is the our loops in the C sharp. I think guys you are able to understood the loops, and if any confusion please add a comment. Thank you all. Thanks for listening. Yeah, thank you for watching the video, and if you have any question then give me the comment. I will reply as soon as possible, and if you like my video then please like and subscribe. Thank you.